Ready for that glowing, youthful skin? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Super Serum, Super Facial Serum, that was shared with us at convention this year, and it combines a powerhouse of essential oils that help soothe your skin, leaving a glow, youthful, and radiant look. So let's take a look and see how these oils, powerhouse oils, can transform your skin. This serum is packed with castor oil, argan oil, lavender, frankincense, immortelle, just to name a few. All these essential oils are there to help your skin feel amazing, youthful, and give you that glow, and just have healthier looking skin. Argan oil, known for its rich vitamin E content, is great for hydrating your skin, leaving it feeling smooth. It increases the elasticity in your skin, which is really important at our age, right, ladies? Castor oil, which is a natural emollient, which helps to improve the skin texture. It deeply nourishes and supports moisture retention, which is key to a glowing complexion. Yarrow palm, which is rich in antioxidants. It helps to brighten the skin while protecting it from environmental stressors. Immortelle from doTERRA. This blend includes helichrysum, frankincense, and myrrh, which have powerful anti-aging and healing properties. Perfect for reducing lines and giving that skin that youthful glow. Frankincense is known for its skin toning and anti-inflammatory effects, providing a smoother texture and reducing the appearance of scars. Lavender is soothing, calming, and helps balance the skin, making it ideal for sensitive or irritated skin. Ylang ylang or ylang ylang, this sweet floral oil helps to balance oil production, promoting clearer skin and preventing breakouts. Nio wood. This oil is great for balancing and hydrating the skin. Plus, it has a soothing effect on the skin. doTERRA doesn't have this oil for sale normally. We were privileged to get this oil as a gift when we attended convention this past year. So if you don't have Nio wood, no worries. I would just replace Nio wood with something like sandalwood or even black spruce. Those two oils are great for the skin. Helichrysum, known as the everlasting flower. Helichrysum is great for repairing and rejuvenating the skin, helping to reduce redness and inflammation. Jasmine, one of my favorite oils. This oil has hydrating and calming properties. It helps to brighten dull skin and promotes a radiant and glowing complexion. Here's what the end product looks like. You can get these bottles from Amazon. I'll make sure to include the link in the description below. And I apply this in the morning after I take a shower. I put on a moisturizer, and then I apply a few drops of this facial serum and then apply it to my face. If you have a gua sha stone, you could use that to really help get the blood flowing in your skin to help with the absorption of that oil. And then I would also repeat that and apply it before bed. If you want to purchase this serum from me, I will also include a link in the description. That way you can just purchase it if you don't have all the ingredients and you just rather just get it into your home. I supplied a link in the description to help you out there so that you could get this in your home right now. Of healing and nourishing oils in this recipe really helps to moisturize your skin and help reduce inflammation, reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So if you struggle with your skin not feeling moisturized or having that dull feeling or dull look, then I would encourage you to give this recipe a try. I have been using this since September and I am in love with this recipe. I make it all the time. I've made it for my friends and they continue to ask for this recipe from me. To get that glowing, smooth skin, I encourage you to give this recipe a try. And check out my next video. I will show you step by step on how to create this facial serum. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.